Hi traders, in this video I'm going to show you how to backtest an expert advisor, also known as an EA, using the strategy tester in MetaTrader 4. So backtesting allows us to test how an automated trading system would have performed using historical market data, right? And this is going to help us to evaluate the behavior of the strategy before considering it in live market conditions. Now, the first step is to open the strategy tester in MT4. You can see, just go to view, you go to strategy tester, all right? Or you can just simply press Ctrl R on your keyboard. Either ways, you have your strategy tester opened. So once you've done that, the strategy tester panel appears at the bottom of the MT4 platform. This is where you can configure all the settings needed to test the expert advisor. All right. So you can see where you select, the expert advisor that you want to trade, you want to test, I mean, right? You select, and then you select your symbol, the period, the model, the spread, and all of that, right? Okay. So once you have selected all the properties, right, that you intend to test, okay, ensure that you are testing on the particular time frame that you intend to use the expert advisor on. If you want to use your expert advisor on the 1 hour time frame, ensure that the period is set to the H1, right, a 1 hour time frame. Okay. So inside the MT4 strategy tester, you will notice that there are three options available, right? The every tick, which is the most detailed simulation and often the slowest, and then you have the control points, which is which is faster but is less precise, and you have open prices only, which is the fastest but the least detailed, right? So when you want a more accurate test, just ensure that you select every tick. Okay, for higher accuracy, you select every tick. Okay, so once you have configured everything that you need to configure, you can click on start. All right, you just run the back test. Okay, the MT4 will begin running the simulation using historical price data. So while the test is running, you can actually watch the progress. All right. So if you enable visual mode, you can watch the trades being executed on the charts in real time. Okay. You just have to wait for the test to run completely. Once the test finishes, you can go review the results. All right, that's after the test must have completed. Okay, then you can go review the results, under the results tab. The results tab actually shows the list of all the trades executed during the back test, right? While the graph tab displays the equity curve, which shows how the account balance changed over time, right? And then you have the report tab. Okay, it seems like the test is almost done. Okay, all right, so here you see the results. You can actually go through that carefully. Okay, then the graph, like I said, displays the equity curve, which shows how the account balance changed over time. And then the report tab contains useful statistics, such as the total number of trades, drawdown levels, profit factor, expected payoff, right, and all of that. So you can see the report, you can see different important informations being displayed here. All right, so when you are testing an EA, just ensure that you pay attention to all this data, go through them carefully. All right, and then you conclude if the statistics that you have is something that would encourage you to proceed with that EA or not. Okay. All right. So if you want to optimize, maybe you want to use optimization to test multiple parameter combinations. Okay. You you can actually come and modify, maybe after you have run the first test, you can actually come, modify the settings again. Perhaps you want to test different parameters. Maybe you want to change period, you want to change the spread. Okay, this is using current spread, but if you want to use a fixed spread, you can actually do that. All right, or basically, you can always, modify the settings and test again, right? Now, backtesting an expert advisor in MT4 allows you to analyze how an automated trading strategy behaves under historical market conditions. Using the strategy tester and optimization tools, you can evaluate the EA's logic, review its historical performance, metrics, and better understand how different parameter settings affect the results. So this process is commonly used for research, testing, and strategy evaluation in algorithmic trading environments. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, kindly like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.